Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We're from Group 1, want to present about the text of a tour guide tour simulation in the city of Bogor. Then we will introduce our member first. My name is Ananda Putra Mahastra.
My name is Mohim Abdul Fattah.
My name is Farel Syafa Prasastarianto.
My name is Sangga Munggaran.
Transfer in day 1. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How's your trip? And how was the atmosphere on the plane? It's fun or boring? Hopefully, the atmosphere is exciting, accompanied by beautiful scenery during the trip. Welcome to the city of Bogor, which we usually know as the City of Rain. On behalf of Abdul Tour and Travel, I thank you for choosing our service. Let me introduce myself and our crew. My name is Anto as guide, for driver Mr. Loki, and for co-driver Mr. Jambrong. Our itinerary for today is that after arriving at Bogor Station, we will go directly to Novotel Bogor Golf Resort and Hotel. At the hotel, you can rest, enjoy the atmosphere and hotel facilities, or do whatever you want to do. So, is my explanation clear enough? Or if you want to ask something, you can ask me anytime. I hope you will enjoy this trip and we will have fun. Okay, let's go. Bogor is a city in the West Java province. The city is located 59 kilometers south of Jakarta, and its territory is the middle of the Bogor Regency area. Bogor is known as the city of rain because it has very high rainfall. The city of Bogor consists of 6 sub-districts which are further divided into 68 urban villages. During the Dutch colonial period, Bogor was known as Buitenzorg, which means without fear or in peace. The anniversary of Bogor City and Bogor Regency is commemorated every June 3 because June 3, 1482 is the day of the coronation of King Siliwangi as a king of the kingdom of Pajajaran. Anyone want to ask more about the city of Bogor? If not, I will explain about the hotel that we will stay while in Bogor. Address at Golf Estate Bogor Raya, code post 16790, West Java, Bogor, Indonesia. The hotel has been certified with the Allsafe label. Novotel Bogor Resort has unveiled and reopened in newly refined phase and remains committed to keeping our guests and team safe and protected. Novotel Bogor Resort, a true hidden gem retreat from the heart of Jakarta and only 50 minutes from the city, located at the foot of many mountains. And the fresh air makes this resort one of the most popular holiday hotels in Bogor, Indonesia. Only 30 minutes drive to Puncak, Novotel Bogor Resort is surrounded by beautiful 5 hectares of tropical gardens, located in the serene Bogor Raya Golf Estate next to the most prestigious 18-hole golf course in the area, featuring a convention center with 20 function rooms, one newly renovated grand ballroom, and one junior ballroom with a total meeting space of 1,400 SQM. This, together with the possibility of large garden area, makes Novotel Bogor an ideal place for meeting, banquets, and wedding. Thank you.
Sightseeing in the Bogor Botanical Garden Day 2. Ladies and gentlemen, we have finally arrived in the Bogor Botanical Garden, or what most Indonesians call Kebun Raya Bogor. Has anybody heard about this garden? Excellent. The Bogor Botanic Garden, Indonesia's first and foremost botanic garden. Founded in 1817, the order of the government of the Dutch East Indies. The garden thrived under the leadership of many renowned botanists, including Johannes Elia Teichmann, Rudolf German Christian Karl Schiffer and Melchior Trupp. Since its foundation, Bogor Botanical Garden has served as a major research center for agriculture and horticulture. It is the oldest botanical garden in Southeast Asia. This garden is 87 hectares of beautifully kept trees, plant flowers, lawns, and ponds within a busy expanding city of 1 million people. The garden also provides healthy air from its 2013 plant specimen representing 3,170 species, not included specimens in its nurseries. Next.
Yes. Next, dietary on the object. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Well, on this occasion of the attraction that we will visit this time is the Museum of Land and Agriculture located in Bogor. And now we have arrived to welcome to Bogor Museum of Land and Agriculture. And let me introduce myself. First, introduce my name, Muhammad Abdul Fattah, as your tour guide, which I will later tell and invite you around one of the historical museum in the city of Bogor. Do some of you will join this tour like educational tour to historical palace? Exactly. This is the best place for you guys. First, we will visit the Land Museum at the front of the museum. Yep. We will see the stones inside the art museum that are neatly arranged and also equipped with preset soil biota. For example, such as beetles, various types of butterflies, dragonflies, and other kinds of soil biota. On the right side of the museum room, there is a large map of Indonesia. The map of Indonesia land resource illustrates the mapping of the types of land in Indonesia. Many diagrams and tables explain the process of soil formation, various results of research, documenting and development of various types of land in Indonesia have been donated to this land museum. Let's continue. Next at the back of the museum, there is a Welcome Agricultural Museum in the largest agricultural museum in Southeast Asia consists of 3 floors. Each floor has information about agriculture in Indonesia. On the ground floor to the third floor, there is information about the history agriculture in Indonesia. Agriculture tools before the colonial people came in the VOC era, the Japanese era to the present. On the third floor, there are agricultural production tools that are predicted to be used in the future, such as eco-friendly vegetable pesticide drones that could help farmers in the future to spray rice fields more efficiently. Then there is also biodiesel from palm oil. Biodiesel itself is a fuel that has the advantage of being environmentally friendly. Now, ladies and gentlemen, on tour at the Bogor Museum of Land and Agriculture is complete. I hope you enjoyed this tour. Don't forget to tell your family and friends how beautiful and interesting the Museum of Land and Agriculture in Bogor. Thank you for visiting the Museum of Land and Agriculture Bogor. See you on see you on your next visit. Thank you.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How was your sleep last night? Is it good?
Good morning, Sangha. I slept well last night. Thank you.
Well, how was your breakfast? I think it's delicious.
Yes, I ate so much, and all Indonesia food so delicious. I'm very love it.
Wow, I want to eat too. Huh. So, have you put all of your baggage?
Of course, yes.
Okay, good. Don't forget to check all of your belongings in your room.
I checked it and I confirm that nothing is left at all.
Okay. If you forget anything, let me know to tell receptionist to put what you left in your room.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, please go on our bus, the blue one, in the parking area, and we're prepared to leave off. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board Abdul Tour and Travel Bus. My name is Sangga Gautama, and you can call me Sangga. I will assist you with this transfer out. In front of you, there is Mr. Naka as a driver, and our co-driver is Mr. Nawa. Well, ladies and gentlemen, now we are leaving from Novotel Bogor Golf and Resort to Bogor Station.
Mr. Sangha, can I ask you something?
Yes, of course.
I want to know how long the distance between our hotel to Bogor station?
Well, the distance our hotel to Bogor Station is 8.8 kilometer or 30 minutes by the bus.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Well, ladies and gentlemen, in a few minutes, we will arrive at Bogor Station. Please get off the bus carefully and don't forget to check your baggage. Ladies and gentlemen, now you can go straight to the City Walk counter by using a self-service check-in machine. And customer service will help you to check in if you need. I hope everyone enjoyed this tour and don't forget to tell your family and friends how beautiful Bogor. On behalf of Abdul Tour and Travel, I would like to say our apology for your inconven- inconvenience. Thank you for choosing us to be part of your tour. Have a nice day and goodbye.